Today's topic will be unveiling the value proposition canvas, a pathway to success. This is all about our customers. Let me make it full screen. Exploring the importance of the value proposition canvas in program management, policy analysis, and implementation. So this is for people who are in program management, policy analysis, and implementation. Introduction to the value proposition canvas. We all uh, working towards the customer satisfaction, and what the customer is looking for uh, is they are looking for a solution for their problem, and their requirement is what is that. So we have to brainstorm a lot about this kind of uh, problem. We need to take everybody's vision, and so everybody has to, if you can see, if you think about the way when a product is designed, you'd realize that sometimes. Today I was only speaking to a person who helps in documentation. So what does he provides for a documentation? It is e-stamping and stuff like that. And there were many providers who are doing similar thing. So how do they stand out? And it was saying that they are bringing the whole package of automation. So that is the automation is the value creation they are doing, and that is their competitive advantage. So how it is applicable for program management as the value proposition canvas actually, the canvas is what if it is a combination of needs, scope, objective, and success criteria. In the market, when there are several vendors, how do one particular product or service stand out? That is the value proposition we are talking about. In policy analysis, it is about the impact assessment. How do we uh, have better policy for impactful outcomes? And in implementation, it is the uh, customer satisfaction that we are bringing uh, into the table. And if we take the unified approach of convergence of ideas, each team member gives one suggestion, one idea, which can lead to a greater value proposition. And value proposition, as I said in our example, they are looking at the documentation part, and it is a there are 25, 26 technological aspect which a documentation helps you to achieve faster. And when you implement something faster, you save time and you save resources. And also, time means it is greater productivity for the people who is implementing. For example, uh, the microfinance sector is a lot of customer incentive, customer centric operation. Now the person goes to the customer and he collects a lot of documents, lot of proofs, and he understands a lot about the customers. Now there are certain things the customer is saying he might not be able to assess unless there is a need, uh, there is a logical analysis of all the factors that has been collected. How do you do all those? So, with each collected factor, there is a question and there is some support from the software or the AI aided technology. That is how we understand in layman term as to how the things would be faster. You don't have to think, it is already designed to add to your thought process and the process of assessment. And that is how it becomes faster for each customer. Even if he misses something very, very, very important, then also the factors are so which are collected with some one-to-one physical face-to-face interaction, the whether they are consistent with each other, it figures out. So there is less chance of any mistake. So this can be an unifying tool. As I say, somebody does this assessment at customer base. Somebody else is there who operates, who actually checks the consistency. Somebody else is there who um, takes it through the technology interface and passes it, right? So program management and policy analysis and whatever we do to serve the customer with the aid of technology, it requires to pass through a certain phase, two, three, four phases, as it is mentioned out here. The things together, it adds to the value proposition of this particular thing. So I today's example, as I said, if you are doing the similar thing, and also there is an affordability. If you are proposing so many things, then your service must be higher. You cannot provide quality service with uh, with small price, or affordability is an issue. Now, if you are automating everything, affordability also can be handled because there is no human um, intervention to that particular extent. So that is where the integration part comes in. Integration is something which reduces time spent on each of the process, and it does instantly. So that is all about uh, value proposition canvas. As I always say, in the unbeatable USP space, we are always thinking about how to uh, have our USP to propose lot of value, and in the process transforms the customer experience. That is how it becomes unbeatable USP. So value proposition canvas plays a greater role, and our process has to go through this value proposition canvas all the time. Thank you for watching.